let's take a look at some more of the Acol bidding activities available on the No Fear Bridge demonstration page. I'm not a bridge teacher, I'm an affiliate for No Fear Bridge, and so I won't be explaining my choices to you. We're back looking at the beginners openers rebids section. In this hand, South opened with 1 club, North responded with 1 spade. South has 15 points. What should they bid next? I've chosen 3 spades, and the annotation reminds us that with a better than minimum hand, we make an invitational bid of 3 spades. In this hand, South opened with 1 heart, North responded with 2 clubs. South has 15 points. Pause the video while you decide what you would choose as your next bid. I've chosen 2 no trumps, and the annotation reminds us that we show a balanced hand with 15 to 16 points. In this next hand, South opened with 1 diamond, North responded with 2 diamonds. South has 13 points. What would you choose to bid? Pause the video while you think about it. I've chosen to pass, and the annotation reminds us that partner has made a limit bid, showing 6 to 9 points, so there's no chance of game. In this hand, South has opened with 1 spade, North has responded with 2 diamonds. South has 17 points. What bid would you choose? I've chosen 3 no trumps, and the annotation reminds us that after a change of suit at the 2 level, we can bid 3 no trumps with 17 to 19 points. If you'd like to join No Fear Bridge, tap on one of the links in the description box underneath this video, or if you're viewing this video on one of my websites, just tap on one of the links further down the site.